Physics paper pattern 9th class 2023 guess. MCQs chapter 2, 5, 8. 2 MCQs from each these chapters. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 chapter. 1 MCQs from each chapter. Short questions from chapter 2. 2 questions from chapter 1. 3 part 3. Question 2 part 3. Question 3 part 2. Question 3 from chapter 4, part 3, 5, part 3, 6, part 2. Question 4 from chapter 7, part 3, 8, part 2, 9, part 3. Long question, chapter 5, question 2 and 3. Question 6, chapter 4, 5 and 6. Question 7 from chapter 7 and 8. From Unit 1, questions 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.10, 1.12 and 1.13. Unit 2, second and third equation of motion, question 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.8, 2.12, problems 2.1, 2.2 and 2.6. Unit 3, Newton's second and third law of motion, questions 3.3, 3.4, 3.11, 3.12, 3.13, 3.16. Unit 4, question 2, 4.2, 4.3, 4.6, 4.7, 4.9, 4.13, 4.14. Unit 5, question 5.2, 5.4, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 5.10, 5.14, 5.15. Unit 6, question 6.2, 6.3, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.9, 6.13, 6.14, 6.15, 6.16. Problem 6.3, 6.4, 6.6, 6.7. Unit 7, question 7.4, 7.6, 7.9, 7.12, 7.15, 7.17, 7.18, 7.22. Unit 8, questions 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, 8.6, 8.11. Problems from Unit 8, 8.1, 8.3, 8.5 and 8.6. Unit 9. Questions from Unit 9 is 9.2, 9.7, 9.11, 9.12. From 2, 5 and 8 chapters, 2 MCQs from each. And chapter number 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. Each chapter 1 MCQ is included in the paper. Good luck. And thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.